So how do you re-explain a cuisine that's historical while you're reinventing it?
A couple different things. Number one, we have oral tradition. In our families, in our communities, commonly held beliefs, what people say in passing in narratives.
Okay.
They'll actually describe a dish or a process.
Yeah.
And that's great because it gives you an outline, but there's no numbers. Then there are historic receipts. Receipt is the old word for recipe in American English, where you do have some sense of measurement and other flavors, but remember, that's one person's one version.
Right.
So those
it's like the game of telephone.
Right.
Yeah.
Those recipes get a vote, but they don't get a veto. Also pinned in the hand of the slave holder, not in the hand of the enslaved.